What's going on, guys? My name is Voss, and if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a really exciting day. I've been stuck in quarantine and bored, and you know, that leads to me doing a lot of shopping on the internet. I sometimes get stuck looking at cars, and today we have found a really cool new project for the channel. You'll see it in a little bit. I mean, you'll probably know by the title, but as far as I know, it's the cheapest in the country. It's mid-engine. It's in impeccable shape. I mean, it looks amazing. I went and saw it already, so I kind of already know what it looks like. You're not going to get a fake reaction from me. You'll just see how it is. But it's got a major flaw to it, so let's go do it. We got to grab the essentials. Some hand sanitizer, some money, and the keys. So these are my keys. We're actually going to take the M3. So that's what we're going to take right now to go look at it, go sign the paperwork, get everything done, and then I'm going to come back at some point with a trailer and to come pick everything up. But first, also, here's a cold start on a 2013 BMW M3. Okay, not quite a cold start. I've been driving it kind of earlier today. I've been so bored that I'm just kind of cruising around. So that was a coldish kind of start. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to get this car. I can't even. This is a car that, if you know me, you know how much I love this brand. It's not a BMW. I love BMW a lot. So gosh, this is gonna be so exciting. All right, guys, we are here. I mean, you can see the car right now as it is. Tell me if you see it in this shot. But we're gonna do some paperwork here in a second and hopefully get this thing soon.
For the stereo that he put into it.
Okay.
Installed turbo.
Okay.
All the extra stuff that they put in. I guess that's the...
Yeah, all right.
Not too shabby.
It's all articles about that car?
Yeah.
Very interesting. I'll have to read that out.
I think that's just in general, like the parts that they put on it. But
yeah,
so it's pretty cool.
That's awesome that they saved all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's that.
Yep.
The original.
Okay.
Thing.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Oh, you know, I have another key to give you. The original stereo, if for some reason you want to go back to old school. Spare key and one more key.
All right, guys, we're getting everything we need for this, and we are going to be on our way pretty soon. We are all wrapped up now. The car is officially mine. This is Erica. She's been helping me. She runs a shop here in Cincinnati called Fab Labs, and they do, I mean, what kind of stuff do you specialize in?
Pretty much anything aftermarket, a lot of performance. The current cars that we have in here is the 80 Trans Am. We're doing a cold air take on it. That's really our shop for me.
Is that your shop helper?
Yep. RX-7
cool.
We're doing a complete build on, roll cage.
Very cool.
Charge tube. 240SX, we're doing a roll cage and a complete build on as well for drifting.
Very cool.
So
you guys are a lot on the, you guys have a wide mix then, American and, you know, Mazda and stuff.
Absolutely.
What do you think of this purchase I just made? Do you think I'm, because you're not the owner, you help facilitate everything, so, you know, what do you think overall? Is this going to be a good build? Is this going to be a horrible idea? Now,
absolutely.
It's yours. Yeah,
I think it's
the money, so.
I think it's a great idea, just for the fact he did use it for racing. He had it built, supercharger correctly done. He just needed to do the preventative IME bearings.
IMS bearing, yep.
Yep, IMS bearings on it. Other than that, the car's in perfect condition. I think it needs to be back out on the road again. Here
is my new to me, 1998 Porsche Boxster, and this car has so many quirks and features that we're not going to get into now. I think Erica mentioned some of them while we were signing some of the paperwork, but I mean, look at this. Like, this car has the red interior. This is really hard to come by. This wheel, all this stuff has like no wear and tear. 32,000 miles, right?
Yep, 31,945.
Guys, I mean, you can't get a 98 Boxster that looks this clean. There's hardly any damage on it. Very little minor scuffs, and for something that was being on the track, it really looks really good. There's that engine. I'm super excited to get into a mid-engine platform with a 5-speed manual, guys. We're gonna get this thing back up and running, hopefully, if it's not too expensive, and see what we can do with it. I just got the title, everything else. It's been notarized now. We had that taken care of. I got the keys. I am now going to go pick up the U-Haul. Got to drop the M off. Got to go pick up the truck. Got to go pick the trailer and come back. Thankfully, they're only like 30 minutes from the house. So, guys, I am so pumped. This is gonna be. I have been wanting a rebuild or a build for the channel for so long, just looking for the right car. I've been picky. Everyone's like, you know, get something, LS swap it, do this, do that, and that's cool and all, but it's not. It's been done a lot. There is such little information on the Boxster, the 986 Boxster to be exact. It is such a fun car from everything I've seen, everything I've looked. I've never been in. I've been in the Cayman, but not the Boxster. It is going to be such a fun rebuild, and I cannot wait to bring this car back to life. It is such a mint car. I'll go in detail with everything once I get it to the shop. But guys, I am so excited. Just got to the U-Haul. We're going to grab the trailer now.
That's good.
Highway? I think we should be.
Yeah. Perfect. You guys are great. You got strength on you.
All right. This is what the new autocross thing is going on right here. Got that. Got ramps back here. As I cannot stress to you how excited I am to add a Porsche to the garage. If it's gonna fit in the garage, there's like no space in there.
All right, guys, have a
Awesome,
safe trip.
thank you, appreciate it. All right, guys, we are off to go pick it up now. Whew. We are here. We're about to go and pick up the Porsche. Let's see it. Let's see what we can do. Here she is again. What do you think?
Pretty sick.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. It's got some paint fading, but I mean, overall, like, it's in, like, you can sit in it, like, the seats got very little wear, like, everything is, like, super nice inside. Key goes there, like on that side.
The left side.
Yep, all of them. That's how the race ones are, so that's how they all are. I think the battery's dead, but we can try and see if it half turns.
You gotta put it in. Oh, I don't think. Did you?
Yep.
Oh, it is.
I think the battery's dead.
Yeah,
I don't even hear the pump going. That's fine. Done. We can start paying for some stuff.
Cover that. Yeah. Don't show.
It is now on, but clearly this was not right. So now we need to just find another way to tow it down and go from there.